Okay, we caught the crab again in the crab trap. Right there. Two of them. So how I'm going to do it, the way you take the crab out of the crab trap is there's an opening on the side in the crab trap. I open it up like this, so it has now space. From there I can dump it out, and once I dump it out, I can grab them from the hind legs. You know, you grab them from the back side right there. You see that little back feet? That's where you grab them so they can't pinch you. Right there. You see the back feet? You grab from the back feet.
Oh yeah, because at the front it has those like things that pinch.
Yeah. So here, you hold the camera so I can kind of show how to grab it. You ready? Okay. Alright, go back a little bit. Okay, perfect. Alright. Let me.
So he's gonna get out now. And then he just traps it like that. There's two of them because like he got two. He's very lucky because he got two.
Why is he clapping his arms?
You see, like, put it in there.
Yeah.
Grab the other one. Okay. Right. Okay, now focus on this one. Go back a little bit.
Okay.
Good for the camera girl.
Okay. Now he's gonna try to get the other one. He's gonna put the cage on top of it and then grab the back fins.
I ate it all.
Yeah, wow. And just like that.
Dad, she might eat it all.
Cindy. Sin throwed her thing.
Then what happened? Did you throw it? What happened?
Sin,
You want me to help you? Where is it?
Sin, it's in the lake.
Where is it?
It's in the lake.
Where is the lollipop? You throw it?
But like
Where is it?
she finished it. She finished
Where is the
it.
lollipop?
She finished it already.
Where is it? Where is the lollipop? Don't be scared. I threw it in the bag. Oh, you have it in your hand. Okay. I thought she'd throw the lollipop in the water.
I hate its face. It's so scary. Look. Its face is
Let me see.
scary.
Wait.
Its
He's
face is...
upside down.
See, like, its face is scary.
It's like an alien.
Yeah.
Yeah, look like a little alien. Okay. Yeah. What happened to the other part of the lollipop?
It fell in the lake. It was still pop, but like she finished it before.
But how did it go in the lake? How lollipop is in the hand?
She pretended to like hit the crab. She was like, pew, pew.
Oh, it flew off.
And then she did this, and then she.
Oh, it flew off in the lake. That's why she was crying. I was wondering why she was crying. Anyway, we got two of them. I'm going to put it back. I need to put more bait in there, but for now I'm just going to put it in there. Sometimes you can get them.
Oh, that's pop.
I'm going to put it back. Lock it back.
Oh, I fell.
Alright, I'm going to put it back in the water
I'm riding on the
so we can get some more of them.
You riding on the seaside.
Right there. That's it. That's all it is. Alright.
Yeah.
So beautiful. It's going to rain. You see the cloud? It's rain cloud.
Try to kick it. Try to kick it, ball.
Hey, hey.
And move.
You guys want to catch it on the back side?
No. I'm too scared.
Well, we got to take some chance to get the skill.
Its hand raised up.
Until
like
you get the
this.
skill, there's a little chance of it snipping, but it won't snip your fingers off. It'll just snip your fingers.
It's
So you still have 5 fingers.
its
It will be
hands
scar
raised
on
up
it.
like this.
Really, really. Yeah, they're taking a break One's, you're right, one is upside down.
Dad
Hey,
jumped him out. Dad jumped
I
him
think they're
out.
biting.
yeah, I think in the crab trap, if they're too long together, they'll kill each other or they'll fight each other.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
like survive.
Yeah. Oh, so beautiful there. Holy moly.
Stop it.
Hey, stop stomping them.
Trying to get him.
Let them have some peace before they we make a
Fighting.
dish out of
That was
it.
scary.
Before they get cooked, have some. Let them be peaceful. All right, we're having fun. See you.
They're trying to get out.
Wow, see the thunder clouds? You see, it's like a storm coming through. All right, kids, let's go before the storm comes down fast. Okay, it's coming. Let's go.